Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to change your shortcut hotkey in Capcut. So basically let's start. So to change your shortcut, first you need to go to this tab at the top corner and just press it. So basically you can see all the hotkey are included in this shortcut tab. So for me, what is the most important thing I will change is split, because split is most commonly used in Capcut, and I will change it to my preference C, as C is mostly used in Premiere Pro to split the video. So I just save for C, don't need to use for just press command and other keys, not so convenient. So just save it and we can try for it. So we just press C and it can be cut very fast, I mean to split it for the video. So for all these tools at this panel, everything can be changed using the tab at the top. So you can make your own default and you can have a faster video editing in Capcut. So basically that's all from me. Thank you.